Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about Best 5 Tattoo Machines that you should buy. Let's do started. Number 1. Dragonhawk Extreme Rotary Tattoo Machine. Dragonhawk Extreme Rotary Tattoo Machine. Weight, 6.17 ounces. Ergonomic design, feels virtually weightless. Available with clip cord connection. 7.5 to 8.5 volts for color packing and shading, 8 to 9 volts for lining. The Extreme is a versatile rotary machine designed for a wide variety of work, such as color packing, light black and gray shading, and heavy black filling. Ergonomic design, feels virtually weightless. The Extreme is a versatile rotary machine designed for a wide variety of work, such as color packing, light black and gray shading, and heavy black filling. Number 2. Tatooine Complete Tattoo Machines. The Tatooine Rotary Tattoo Machine, made of aluminum alloy, light and portable, easy to hold. Liner and shader all available, low vibration and high power, compatible with all cartridge needles. Equipped with 4 different needles, 5 PC for each, totally 20 PC cartridges needles. RL3, RL5 for lining, and MI5, MI7 for shading. Easy to install, fast rebound, individual package. Semi-transparent, convenient to observe. Include tattoo pen machine, power supply, 20 pieces cartridges needle, 14 PC tattoo inks, tattoo ink cups holder, 100 PC big tattoo inks cups, 100 PC small tattoo inks cups, foot pedal, 10 PC after creams, 2 disposable gloves, practice skin, transfer paper, carry case. Number 3. Dragonhawk Horus Rotary Tattoo Machine Gun. Custom mass coreless motor 9V/10,000 revolutions per minute, provide powerful and speed for tattoo working. Increased torque with less voltage when tattooing. The Horus machine frame made from a solid block of pure brass. Robust, anti-smudge casing, protect against scrapes, bumps. Compatible with all standard cartridges. Need cartridges, tattoo grip, and traditional tattoo needles. This machine running smoother, quieter operation at a lower voltage without stalling. This machine has adjustable stroke length cam, need loosen and tighten the screws. Number 4. Dragonhawk Mass Tour Tattoo Pen Machine. WJX cartridges, tattoo needles, patent design, increase ink storage, absorb inks faster, injection average and running smooth for each hitting, reliable for all-purpose work. One-piece needle and plunger over mold allows for maximum stability and control. This rotary tattoo machine has 3.5 mm stroke length. Needles depth, 0 to 4 mm. Tested lots of times and used polymer materials. RCA jack. This tattoo machine frame part is separate with the grip. Clean the tattoo machine frame easily. And the grip is autoclavable. Number 5. Dragonhawk Mass Pen Rotary Tattoo Machine. This mass tattoo machine features a powerful custom motor and an advanced gear system that guarantees reliable, quiet operation without any vibration. The mass machine has a working voltage of 6 volts to 9 volts, ergonomic, lightweight pen style machine. Pebble modeling. WJX brand cartridges, needles, patent shell design. Increase ink storage, absorb inks faster, injection average. Special silicone rebound membrane. Made by medical grade LGPC. Lowest tin solder, innovate medical PC material, connect needles. Pop art cartridges all over world tattoo artists. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.